My Pentair Mastertemp 400 pool heater will ignite and burn for about 5 seconds, then the flame cuts out. There is a slightly acrid smell to the exhaust, the fan keeps running. I have replaced the igniter and the stack flue sensor, but the problem remains. Any ideas?
Hello, the smell is a sign of improper combustion. This is a matter of art/gas mix. It is important to get this balance as the heat exchanger can get plugged with soot and then things get costly. The short cycling is caused by a dirty flame sensor or poor combustion hitting the sensor. It may help to clean the flame sensor as far as cycling, but I fear your issues are worse than that. You need to have a pressure gauge put on to test the combustion rate. Billy.
How can I adjust the gas mix? Where is the flame sensor? I do not recall seeing that part listed in the manual.
The gas adjustment is made by a small regulator screw in the gas valve, but while doing this you must have a gauge attached to dial into proper setting. The Pentair uses a mixing chamber for ignition. So mixture is critical. If you have a pressure gauge that measure in inches of water column, I can assist. You will also need the pressure port fitting to interact with the gauge. The flame sensor is in front of the burner, whether as a pilot component or as a sense rod by itself.
Should I replace the flame sensor? Do you have a part number?
I have done some extra research on this. You have a gas pressure issue where the gas is too lean. You will really need to check the pressure at the appliance. Service manual.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.